Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a price list on Canva. So maybe if you have some business and you want to create your own price list menu, you can do that on Canva and you can do that easily by using the templates provided in Canva. And I'm gonna show you how you can use the template to create a price list. So here you need to open the canva.com, and then after that at the home page you can see there is the search column here, so you can just search it in here and type in the keyword price list, for example. And here you can see there are so many options. I'm going to just go with the general one so that there will be so much options in this. So you can see there are so many options that you can choose. So there are for a beauty salon, clinic, there are also for a restaurant, like this, to breakfast house like this, and a coffee shop. You can just choose the one that you think fits your needs the most. For example, I want to use one of them. Okay, I'm going to just go with this. Let's say that I have a little cafe or a restaurant. You can just use this one and you can just make some adjustment. You can change the menu based on your own menu, and also the price, of course. And you can also change the like the color theme. Here I'm going to just zoom in, you can see. So you can just change the for example, you can change it to your own restaurant menu. For example, the mm, coffee house, for example. And here we can also change the menu, each of the menu. For example, you don't have pancake but you do have waffles, you can change it into waffles only. And you can also change the pictures with your own menu pictures here. And you can also change the price here, for example, it like this, one by one. And you can also made some adjustment, some changes with the color background here. You can see the previous template use this ones right here. You can delete it and you can change it as in your own. For example, coffee, you can search that, you can add it in here. And here you can, I'm going to just adjust the transparency, and I'm going to put it at the center like this, for example, like so. And I'm going to put it to back as the background. And you can also make other adjustment as you're liking, and if you're done you can just print it right away, or you can also share it to, maybe share it with your team or your partner, or you can also download it and print it for later, save it for later. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.